ladies and gentlemen. So we are fixing the windshield washer fluid. That's my grandparents. But aside from that, we're gonna be fixing the windshield washer nozzles. So you can see this one I ended up breaking. That was the actual bottom part of the connection. So we got brand new from Mitsubishi, new washer nozzle and the new hose. I might be taking that hose because I think that hose is newer. And also you can see there's currently a T connector, and that's just something I found. This is the proper part. So you can see from here, and it's really hard to see because it's so clear. But see how this is like a Y connector? So we're gonna put that there. Okay, let's do it quick.
Oh, okay.
Not loving that too much. That's a good enough angle. Okay. So first things first. Keep this up. Put that there. No, 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 no!
Wait. Wait.
Oh, shit. Cracking plastic already. Yeah, now I need needle nose. And that's why I'm happy I got that stupid connector. Perfect, you saw it right there. So it just snapped right off. So, I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna go get needle nose to do this. One sec. Okay, so you can see here, just going ahead. Look at that. We don't want to do that on these other ones though, because we don't want to have bits of plastic in our lines. Look at that chunk, that was pretty good. Sorry, I'm doing this off camera. Fuck it. You know what I'm doing though. I'm just trying to unclog this piece of shit. Anyway. So just for reference, and I'm not a fucking moron all the time, you can just go here and grip here, and you're just gonna want to use needle nose to like just twist this hose off. Yep. There you go. So just break the connection with some needle nose, give it a little twist, and then you don't break it like a moron like me. Basically all my videos are just what not to fucking do. Anyway, so that's old one. That's the part number for the proper Mitsubishi piece. Is it really supposed to go like this? I guess so, because there's But how is the hose supposed to be plugged in, I wonder? Like, which hose goes where? That is the question. I know the one on the other side makes sense, but for these ones, I don't know if the top one goes to the top and then two to the side, or let's figure that out. Make sure that's in shot. That clips in like that for sure. Here's the driver's side windshield washer nozzle, and the one ending in 02 is for the passenger side. Comes with brand new hose and nozzle. So this is a pro tip, don't put this fucking thing on before you connect your line. Now you're going to potentially break this brand new part. So aside from that though, that's all on here. So I gotta verify where the other two go. If I'm keeping it simple, it'd probably, I don't know. Whoa. I honestly don't know, because this is your feed line on the bottom here, and I actually don't know if I should switch them around. Sorry, feed line on the bottom here, which I can probably put on the top and move the hose to the lower one. But I'm not sure if the feed line's supposed to be going to the top part of this Y here, or if it's supposed to be going to the bottom. We'll find out. So I just wanted to show this finally on video, so you can see this is where the line runs up. You have a support there, and there's another plastic OEM bracket. Your line runs up to there. There's another support clip that goes like that. I have them facing in this direction. A second one there. And then there's a support one. You have your supply line on the bottom, and then you have your passenger side from up to there. That is routed directly up to the passenger. And we're gonna focus. And then you can see this is the key solution. So my nozzle was having pressure issues with spraying. It's very strange, but this is how Mitsubishi wants it done. And you need this specific Y connector, or a Y connector like this. The one from Mitsubishi is quite cheap, so this is the simplest one to get. But the bottom left there, that's going to be for your supply. The asymmetrical one on the same side as the supply is going to be for your passenger, and then the driver side is going to be alone. And then there's a tab that clicks in. Well, there's a tab, so this is held into the hood securely. So that's the piece there, and then this is the replacement hose on this side, and I made sure both are not clogged. And so this is a new one. I'm pretty sure both nozzles are new, but for sure the driver side is a new one. And we got some good quality Rain Mix windshield washer fluid in there, so thing's gonna be able to see. So as you can see, this is the windshield washer fluid that I've just started using in this car, and I really do like it. I have to drive with it more to see how it works on the road, but at least from just my testing and the reviews I've read, this stuff's really good. It's pre-mixed already to -50, so or it's at least rated for -50, so yeah, you can just put this stuff in and you don't have to worry about anything freezing, and yeah, it cleans up your windows really good. So in this two-part thing, I'll show you how to actually top off the fluid on a 3G Eclipse, because we got it right here. So nice and simple. This is your passenger headlight of the car. Just gonna come up and this right here, and that is your washer fluid symbol. You're just gonna have that up like that. Well, we're not gonna spill. You're not gonna spill as much as I just did, ideally, but still, you get the idea. You just wipe that up, but it's gonna be okay. If anything, it cleans stuff up.